Rajasthan Congress workers staged a massive and highly charged protest outside the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly, vehemently opposing the state government's decision to suspend 6 MLAs. The protest was organized as a show of strength and solidarity against what Congress party leaders and supporters termed an unjust and politically motivated move by the ruling government. The protest began with a large gathering of Congress party workers, legislators, and supporters who raised slogans and waved banners condemning the suspension. The demonstrators accused the state government of using its authority to suppress opposition voices and curtail democratic rights. Tensions ran high as the protesters demanded immediate reinstatement of the 6 suspended MLAs and called for justice. In response to the growing unrest, authorities swiftly deployed a heavy police presence and barricaded the area around the Rajasthan Assembly. The police set up physical barriers to prevent the protesters from breaching the security lines and entering the premises of the assembly.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.